So, here I am once again. I got to remove that lock, I guess. That's what they say. Let's go have a look at that. Let's say it's a tubular pick, or tubular lock, tubular key. Look at it. Buddy John's coming. It's one of his customers. And this is it's an abloy key, looking key, discs in it. Huh. That's just wonderful. How was that held in there? I don't see any retaining pin. Well, then, I have the good news. Where are we here? John. Oops. Come on. Oh, there he is. All right. That's not a tubular key.
No?
No, look at it.
No.
It's a
What kind
disc.
of lock is
It's
that?
some sort of a disc lock.
Oh. Said it was a round lock.
Well, the keys are kind of round looking
Yeah.
with you know, a tibby.
Yeah.
Looks like a tibby key.
That's
what that is.
So you won't be able to pick that then?
No. No
Ah.
picking it.
No.
No making keys for me anyway.
Yeah. It says you lost the keys to the back lock too.
Master.
Pick that guy?
Maybe. Maybe. Need a turning tool. I'll try this pick gun. What's this thing here? My favorite pick. So what did they say about that?
What's that?
What did they say about the lock?
Oh, he's just gonna come. He'll just cut it with a grinder and then get a new one.
Lost.
It's like, why would you keep all the keys on one ring? It's so dumb.
Rusty. That thing's rusty.
Yeah.
Oh.
I got a spray for it.
Spray the crap out of it, but not.
What's that?
Are you taking to get a key made?
Are you able to pop that out and make it, or
No.
no?
I don't have keys for that.
Oh, okay. Okay. I'll run back to Randy's then. Okay. Do we have anything up here?
Not much. You won't be long anyway, so.
Yeah.
But spray it after. After it's all done, yeah. Then spray it.
Might be. I wonder if it'd be cheaper just to get a new lock.
Randy has those.
Yeah.
He'll tell you. Anyways, that's it for this one.